Welcome to Bujo and Brushstrokes, where art and journaling comes alive. If you're new to this channel, follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Join me today to relax and paint one of my favorite Disney princesses from the Little Mermaid, that is Ariel. I'm going to use my camel water tube colors which are readily available everywhere and going to start painting her skin. I'm going to use the default skin color that comes with the pack because that tint is very much in line with the character that we're painting today. I've always thought that Ariel is a really pretty princess and she's very courageous. Her story basically tells us to be curious and be adventurous. Her desire to explore the human world and discover new experiences encourages all the viewers to embrace their own sense of wonder and curiosity and just pursue whatever you want to do. I really like painting my Disney princesses because they always take me down a memory lane. And when I was just a little girl, I used to watch them on the Disney Channel and just wait for these movies to come on TV again and again. And all the music in these movies, it's so wonderful to now create them, paint them with my own hands, and watch them come to life with my colors. So, yeah, painting princesses is like one of my favorite things to do. So, till now, I've used all the default colors that come with the pack, but for her hair, I'm going to mix crimson as well as vermilion to get that bright red orangish hair, and I think I've got the perfect tint. Also, all the supplies that I've used in this video, whether they are the colors or the paper that I'm using, I have linked in the description below, and all of them are available on Amazon. So, if you want to buy the same products as me and then maybe paint along, please check out the links. And not just in this video, but all the products that I use in general, I've linked them in my description. To paint the sea rock on which she's sitting, I did not want it to be like absolutely black. I just wanted it to be a little grey. So I've just mixed a little white with black and made this shade that you can see. For her tail or her fluke, I have used dark green with a little bit of white for the lighter parts, and then for the main tail, I have used light green from my other set of tube colors, which I'll also be linking below, so you can check them out. I absolutely love this part, as in when I am putting in the colors, my brush strokes are giving it texture. I feel like this painting, this princess, this little mermaid is actually coming to life. I always imagine that. I have been doing so ever since I started painting. So, this is like the most magical thing. Just adding in some shadows to give it more depth. And now adding in the rest of the details using my fine liners, Sakura Pigma pens, which we all know I absolutely love, are my favorite. These are also linked in the descriptions in case you want to check out what all the rage is about. Adding in a few last details like scales on her tail and texture. Now comes the most satisfying part, whether you are an artist or not, is the tape peel and seeing what the actual look of the drawing is. Let's have a look at our Little Mermaid now. I think she turned out to be really gorgeous. So that's all for the video, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.